Choosing a database is one of the biggest early decisions a startup makes. It affects how fast your product can evolve, how complex your tech stack becomes, and how much time your team spends on maintenance instead of building features. Two cloud database platforms that come up again and again are MongoDB Atlas and PlanetScale. They are both powerful, but they serve different types of teams and different styles of development. MongoDB Atlas is built around flexibility. It uses a document-based data model, which means your data can grow and change without forcing you to redesign your entire structure. This is a huge advantage for startups that are moving quickly and experimenting with features. When you want to add something new, you can often drop it into your data model with minimal friction. The platform handles storage, scaling, and replication automatically, so you do not need a large operations team to keep things running. Atlas also offers a wide ecosystem of tools. You get automated backups, integrated search, real-time analytics, and solid security features. Many engineers appreciate that the query language feels natural, and you can work with it even if your data does not fit neatly into tables. For teams building social apps, content platforms, marketplaces, or anything with rapidly evolving data structures, Atlas can feel like the perfect match. PlanetScale sits on the other side of the spectrum. It is a serverless database built on a relational model. Under the hood, it uses an open-source technology called Vitess, which was originally designed to help companies like YouTube scale massive relational workloads. PlanetScale brings that power into a developer-friendly cloud platform that handles sharding, scaling, and failover automatically. The advantage is structure. With PlanetScale, your data stays organized, consistent, and predictable. That is ideal for startups building financial apps, enterprise tools, e-commerce platforms, or anything where data accuracy is critical. Developers also love its workflow for schema changes. You can make adjustments safely without taking your database offline. It feels modern, fast, and clean. PlanetScale's performance shines when you need relational logic, but it is less flexible if your data does not fit neatly into tables. So which one is better for startups? MongoDB Atlas is best for teams that want speed, freedom, and a schema that can evolve as the product evolves. It is ideal for early-stage companies experimenting with ideas and changing direction often. PlanetScale is better for startups that expect structured relationships, high consistency, and long-term scalability with strong guarantees. Both platforms are reliable and cloud-native. Both remove a huge amount of operational overhead. The key difference is the way you want to build. Do you want maximum adaptability, or do you want strong structure and discipline from day one? If your startup thrives on experimentation, MongoDB Atlas gives you room to move. If your startup needs accuracy above all else, PlanetScale gives you the foundation to scale without fear.